Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and like this video. For more updates, press the bell icon. Yeah, let's begin the video. Today in this video, I will show you how can you use graphs in editings and also how it's work in animations. Anyways, let's start the tutorial.
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Before starting the tutorial, you should know about some graph editings. Yeah, let's see.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Number 1. What is graph editor? It is a tool which let you control the speed of the animation. Number 2. What is the uses of graph editor? The graph editor allows you to adjust the speed of an animation between keyframes. Now, what is this keyframes? Keyframes are a fundamental element for creating animations and visual effects. Now let's see how do graph editings work in alight motion. Let's begin the tutorial. Open the alight motion app. If you not get the app link is in description, download it now. Now click the plus icon, then create the project. Now you can see this type interface. Click on down plus icon, now you can add any photos or video splits. For example, here I am selecting a shape of circle. Now, click on Move and Transform. Now, add keyframes, as I am doing. Now, you can add graphs. Before adding graphs, you have to know, there are so many types of graphs. Let's see the types of graphs. Number 1. This graph is one of the most basic transition graphs on alight motion. It's very good for pretty much any transitions. Number 2. This type of graph is good for motion graphics and smooth transitions. This graph also used by 𝙖𝙤𝙬𝙖 in a few of his edits. Number 3. This graph is good for typography, motion graphics, 3D camera, and many more. This is one of the best graphs for smooth movement. Even this video is mostly made with this graph. Number 4. These are just some of the variations of the graph that are used in our videos. Number 5. This graph is also one of the basic graphs in alight motion. It's great and it's also quite popular, but we rarely use this graph to be honest. Number 6. This graph is also one of the best graphs for motion graphics, but it's very terrible for transitions, so only use this for motion graphics and not for transitions. Now see how graphs work in object. Examples. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video. I hope you all understood about the basic of graph editing. In next video I will explain about long graphs editing.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.